Finally, Qwen team has open sourced their legendary Qwen3-TTS model. You can design your own voice, you can clone your own voice, or simply use it for text to speech mode. In this video, we are going to install Qwen3-TTS locally and we are going to try out all three of these features. Let me first give you a taste of what's coming. So you see, in this demo, I have this text which is it's in the top drawer, wait, it's empty. So I am trying to create a voice from this synthesized text. The voice description is speak in an incredulous tone but with a hint of panic beginning to creep into your voice. I already have generated this audio. Let me play it for you.
It's in the top drawer. Wait, it's empty? No way, that's impossible. I'm sure I put it there.
Isn't that simply amazing? This is due to this Qwen3-TTS custom voice and TTS model which we are going to check out in this video. Before I show you the installation, let's talk a bit more around this model. So this model uses a discrete multi-codebook language model architecture that's fundamentally different from traditional TTS systems. I'm going to explain that architecture in very simple words very shortly, but before that, let's talk more around its variants. So the model comes in three variants as you can see on your screen. These variants are also built on the same base architecture. The base model does rapid voice cloning using X vector speaker embeddings extracted from just 3 seconds of reference audio. The custom voice model uses pre-trained speaker embeddings for 9 different voice profiles across 10 languages, with instruction following capabilities for controlling emotion and speaking style, which we just saw. The voice design model goes further. It can synthesize completely new voices from text descriptions like teenage male voice with nervous energy. All three support streaming generation through a dual track architecture. One track handles real time frame while another manages global context. I'm going to talk more around this model, but for now let's get it installed. By the way, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe. And more importantly, please become a member if you want to support the channel. Also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. And thank you for the support on X. In the last few days, I have gained 400 new followers as I have recently become active there. So thank you for that. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute on video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Okay, so next up, let's git clone the repo. And that should be done any second. That's done. Let me create a virtual environment. With Conda you can get away with it if you don't want to do it, but I always do it because it's a best practice. Shouldn't take too long. And now let me install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo, and everything is now installed. And now all you need to do is to just run this script app.py. I have just put a Gradio interface on top of it. Let me run this. And the script has launched this Gradio demo on our local host at port 7860. Let me run this. And there you go. So Qwen3-TTS demo is now running. So as a first test, I'm going to give it this text to synthesize. Like, this is Fahad's channel where it has got more than 5,000 videos and all that stuff. And the voice description is speak in an incredulous tone, but with a hint of happiness beginning to show into your voice. So let me run this. And the first time when you run this, it is going to download the model. And this is only for first time. So let's wait. And while it does that, this is my VRAM consumption, just close to 5 gig of VRAM. Also, let's have a very quick overview of its architecture, and then we are going to check out the output. So the architecture is very simple. instead of the typical text to MEL spectrogram to audio pipeline, it treats speech generation as a token prediction problem. The model takes text tokens and directly predicts codec tokens at 12 Hz, which means 12 acoustic frames per second. These codec tokens are organized into 15 hierarchical codebooks that capture everything from broad prosodic patterns down to fine acoustic details. The architecture uses an MTP module that predicts multiple codebook levels at the same time. Then a streaming codec decoder reconstructs the final waveform. This end-to-end approach eliminates the cascading errors you get when you chain multiple models together. That is the beauty of this particular model here. Okay, so it has completed it. Let me play it for you.
This is Fod's channel! Wait, it has got more than 5,000 videos? No way, that's incredible! I'm sure whoever visits would become a member or at least subscribe.
Well, you guys don't listen to me, at least listen to her. Who could say no to that voice? Pretty good, maybe bit too high pitch, but I think this is what I asked it to do. Similarly, you can do voice clone, and then you can also do the TTS custom. So for the voice cloning, I already have uploaded my own voice, just a 10-second clip. And then the reference text must be the same which is being said in that audio. So I have just said that joy is found in simple moments of gratitude and all that stuff. And then this is the target text which I want to clone. I already have cloned it. Let me play it for you and then you can be the judge. Like, subscribe and become member of the channel. Thanks for all support. So I think it has done wonderfully well, and we have been testing a lot of other models. The voice cloning is quite good, no doubt about that. Let me now select another audio from my local system, and I'm just going to go with maybe female voice this time. I'll just go with English. We will do the other languages later, maybe in custom voice. So let me change this text to, and I will then play both the source and the target text for you. Okay, so first let me play the source audio for you.
Happiness is a fleeting feeling that can be found in life's simplest moments. A warm conversation with a loved one, a beautiful sunset, or a good cup of coffee can instantly lift our mood.
Let me play the resultant one.
And become member of the channel. Thanks for all support. Like, subscribe and become member of the channel. Thanks for all support.
See, as long as the video quality is good, it really shines, because the previous audio was okay, it was not bad, but my audio quality, the source one, was not good. But this one was very top quality, the source, and the target is also quite good. Okay, now let's see how we can do a custom voice in various languages. So you can see that in this TTS custom voice tab, the text to synthesize is this, the same old one. For language, I'm going with French. You can select different languages. We will try a few more. And then you can select from different speakers. So I'm just going to go with Serena. Nice name. So let's start with this one. You can also give it a style. Maybe I will just say, speak in a husky voice. I know, right? So let me generate the speech. And for this, the VRAM consumption has jumped to 5.7 gig of VRAM almost. And that's the max I have seen. So this text has to be in French too, or whatever the target language is. And because it just generated it in English, let me play it for you.
Like, subscribe, and become member of the channel. Thanks for all support.
Okay, and I'm playing it in my browser because I'm actually accessing it through VNC, so it won't play here. Anyway, so I'm just going to synthesize this French one. So the same thing, but I have just translated it into French. And it is done. Now there are two things which you guys need to do. First, if you're a French native, please let me know what do you think about this conversion of speech. Plus, you all can do that. Let me know if you think this is a husky sensual voice or not.
Aimez, abonnez-vous et devenez membre de la chaîne de Fad. Merci pour tout votre soutien.
I think it was pretty good. What do you think? Okay, next one is Spanish, and the same sentence in Spanish, and I'm asking you to speak in a playful, giggly voice. So let's see what it has done here. Let me play it for you.
Teo, me gusta. Suscríbete y hazte miembro del canal de Fa. Gracias por todo el gran apoyo.
Okay, she didn't speak the D in my name. Maybe it's a Spanish thing. Anyway, let me know what do you think, if it is correct or not. Okay, in the interest of time, I have generated the audios for the other languages. Let me first play for the Chinese in Uncle Fu's voice.
并成为富的频道的会员，感谢你们所有的支持。
Yeah, looks good. Let's play German.
Liken, abonnieren und Mitglied von Fahrtskanal werden. Danke für all die tolle Unterstützung.
Okay, let's do Portuguese.
Curta, inscreva-se e torne-se membro do canal do FAT. Obrigado por todo o apoio maravilhoso.
And then Russian.
Ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь и становитесь участником канала Фахда. Спасибо за всю вашу поддержку.
So, you know what? I think Qwen has done wonderfully well. And they have, released this model Apache to all license because it was on their hosted system before. And now the custom voice is out there. There are also other design voice model and few other things. I'm also going to do another video on its fine tuning, so stay tuned and we will check it out. That's it. Let me know what do you think about this. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.